Today we are going to continue lesson number 1, the fish tail. In the given picture, you can observe a sea with high sea waves. You can also observe a boat with fishermen in the sea. The boat also goes up and down with the waves. How deep do you think the sea could be? The sea could be at least 1,000 feet deep. For hundreds of years, fishermen in the smaller boats, as shown in the picture, took great care of the sea and its fishes. They always cared for baby fish and let them pass through their nets to go back into the sea. They choose a net size in such a way that only grown up or big fishes are caught. They fished only a little to eat and sell. Each and every fisherman had one good quality, and that was to find which way he has to travel in water just by looking at the position of the sun. You all know that the sun rises in the east in the morning and the sun sets in the west in the evening. Now imagine that you are riding in a boat which is moving in water. Seeing the position of the sun, can you find your way when you are in the sea where you can only see water, water and nothing else? The answer is no. Now we will see what are the different types of boats. Log boat, motor boat, long tail boat and big machine boat, also called as trawler. Log boat is a simple boat made from logs of wood tied together. If the sea is rough with very high tides, means waves rising very high and low and a strong wind, then the fishermen have a very difficult time. His boat also moves up and down. It is very difficult for him to control his boat. Motor boat have motors that can catch more fish than the log boat. They can even travel faster than the log boat. Fishermen with small boats are very worried. Do you know why? Because there are some very big machine boats, trawlers, also in the sea. These trawlers go far in the sea and put their big nets deep in the sea. This way they catch a whole lot of fish, leaving very few fishes near the seashore. So the fishermen with small boats are worried, and they think that if trawlers catch thousands of kilograms of fish every day, then there will be no fish left in the sea. They even catch the small baby fish. I have sent a worksheet based on sums. Please try to understand it. If you are not able to understand these sums, then don't worry. I will be explaining all these sums in my next video. Thank you.